You'll find many instructions for making a pumpkin out of small Jenga games from the dollar store, but mine are a little different because I like to add a face to my pumpkin to make a jack-o'-lantern. Let me show you how to make these in just a few simple steps. For this project, you will need 7 pieces from a mini Jenga set. I found mine at the dollar store. Orange, black, green acrylic paint, a paintbrush, something to cover your surface area with, a green pipe cleaner, fingernail clippers, craft glue or wood glue, and Mod Podge. The first step is to paint 6 of your Jenga blocks with the orange paint. You can paint just the front and sides of 4 of them, and then 2 of them you need to paint the back as well. You can do 2 coats of paint if you want full coverage, but I kind of like the wood grain to show through, so I'm just going to do a single coat. Paint the last Jenga block with the green paint. You don't have to paint all the way down to the bottom. I'm just going to do about 2/3 of the way. Get both the front and the back. Once all the paint is dry, it's time to glue the pumpkin together. So start with 2 Jenga blocks together with the right sides down, and just glue in between. Squeeze them together. Then you're going to add the block, the green block, right centered in the middle with just enough sticking up for the stem, about 1/4 of it. Squeeze some glue on the sides. Now these are the 2 blocks that are also painted on the back side. I don't show it in the video, but you're going to see the other side of these, so make sure that all sides of the block are covered. And then glue your last blocks on with the unfinished side down. Now paint a face on your pumpkin with the black acrylic paint. I like to use the end of my paintbrush to make circles, so I just dip it in and press it on. It's a little easier than using the brush side of the paintbrush, but you can paint on whatever kind of face that you would like. I'm going to add little orange dots to make the eyeballs. Again, just get creative here. Once all the paint and the glue have dried completely, coat your pumpkin with a coat of Mod Podge to seal it. To make a stem for the pumpkin, take a green pipe cleaner and fold it down about 1/2 inch, and then fold it 1 or 2 more times to form a leaf. Bend it so that it fits right between the bottom of the stem and the top of the pumpkin. Then take the end of it and wrap it around a skinny paintbrush to make a coil. Shape it, make sure it's the right length, and then clip off the end with the fingernail clippers. Again, shape it to fit exactly onto the top of the pumpkin so that you make contact for a spot for glue. Add on a generous amount of glue and stick it into place. Once the glue is dry, you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more holiday crafts and other ideas. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.